Another Friday baon serye. This time, it's Korean street toast inspired baon. For the protein, ang choice ko is this Pure Foods Chinese style luncheon meat. Favorite to ng son ko because of its meaty taste and very flavorful. It's also my choice kasi it's safe and gawa ng kilalang brand na Pure Foods. Super dali pa i-prepare, frinay ko lang until golden brown and crispy, then set aside. Standard sa Korean street toast ang carrots, cabbage, and spring onion. But I only have spinach sa ref and super bagay din to. Sabi ng son ko, masarap daw. This only take about 2 to 3 minutes kasi madali lang maluto yung egg. Set aside and put sa paper towel para ma-absorb yung oil. Next, para mas masarap, i-butter natin yung bread and i-toast sa pan. Para hindi rin messy kainin, ibalot natin sa wax paper. Mas appetizing kainin pag maganda rin yung presentation, diba? Ketchup mayo for the dressing, then the Pure Foods Chinese style luncheon meat. Top natin with egg and veggies, and mas masarap pag may cheese. Ibalot lang natin sa wax paper tightly para hindi masira during his travel sa school. Naka-health break nga pala yung daughter ko sa school, kaya si kuya lang yung binaunan ko for today. I like preparing this kasi gusto to ng kids ko and rich in protein pa, tapos nasamahan ko pa ng veggies. Ito yung pinakagusto kong part, yung isa-slice ko yung bread in half para din makita ng son ko kung ano yung laman ng bread niya. Sabi nga ng son ko, ayaw daw niya ng sauce. He's already a teenager kaya medyo conscious na siya sa kinakain niya. Lettuce on the sides and white chocolate for dessert. Syempre, ito na rin breakfast ko. Yum! You can also make your own recipe using the Pure Foods Chinese style luncheon meat, mga mi.